Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Respected principal, esteemed teachers and my dear friends. A very warm and heartfelt welcome to all of you in this significant day. We are gathered here to celebrate the birth anniversary of a man whose ideas shaped destiny of a nation, Dr. Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Indeed, Sir, Allama Iqbal was not just a poet, he was a philosopher, a visionary and a true guide for the Muslim Ummah. Through his powerful poetry, he awakened the spirit of self-realization, teaching us the concept of Khudi, to recognize our own potential and rise above all challenges. His message to the youth, symbolized by the mighty Shaheen, was to aim high, be fearless, and build a strong character. He envisioned a separate homeland where the Muslims could live with freedom and dignity, which ultimately led the creation of Pakistan. I am Aiza and I am Zarwa, and we are delighted to be your hostess for today's Iqbal Day ceremony. To begin our program on a blessed note, let us give in the holy words of the Quran. Please welcome Hasif from the recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل أعوذ برب الناس ملك الناس إله الناس من شر الوسواس الخناس الذي يوسوس في صدور الناس من الجنة والناس صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah khaira for the peaceful recitation. Now to express our love for the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, we invite Meerab from grade 1 to present Anath.
नबी नबी जी प्यारे नबी जी नबी जी नबी जी प्यारे नबी जी हाँ ये बात सच है हकीकत यही है नबी आपको मैंने देखा नहीं है न दौरे मोहम्मद में पैदा हुआ मैं न साथी सफ़र का कभी बन सका मैं न आका की आवाज़ तक सुन सका मैं न ग़ज़वात में मुशरिकों से लड़ा मैं न हिजरत की आज़ाद हुई मुझको हासिल न हो पाया अंसार की सब में शामिल नबी आप जिस दम पे को हिरा में कोई ज़ात रहमी न पहुँचा सका मैं मगर सच है ये भी कसम है खुदा की मोहब्बत मुझे आपसे है नबी जी सल्ले अला सय्यिदिना सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम.
Thank you for that beautiful naat. The best way to honor Iqbal is to understand his message, and who understands it better than our young learners? We are thrilled to have six young authors from the primary section who will share their thoughts on Iqbal's philosophy. Let's give a big hand. First speaker, Rohan from grade 2.
Honorable Principal, respected teachers and my dear school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to present a speech on 9 November Iqbal Day. ना तो ज़मीन के लिए ना तो आसमान के लिए जहाँ है तेरे लिए तू नहीं जहाँ के लिए. Dear audience, on 9 November every year we remember a special day when a child was born in Sialkot. This child The Secrets of Eternity. Iqbal had a unique, graceful and beautiful style of poetry both in Urdu and Persian languages. No doubt he didn't write poetry for the sake of poetry but to improve the status of and particularly the but to improve the secrets of eternity, particularly the Muslims of subcontinent. He believed in the empowerment of the individual, the importance of education and the preservation of cultural heritage. Dear fellows, Iqbal Day just not a day to remember a great poet but also an opportunity to embrace the ideas he exposed. I end my speech on these lines. Iqbal gave the message of peace and love. Thank you.
Well done. What a confident start. Now let's welcome Muhammad Ali from grade 2 for his speech.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today I am here to deliver the beautiful message of Iqbal. Be aware of your own words. Use all of your power to achieve it. Create an ocean from the dewdrop. Do not beg for light from the ocean. Do not beg for light from the moon. Obtain it from the spark within you. दियारे इश्क में अपना मुकाम पैदा कर. दियारे इश्क में अपना मुकाम पैदा कर. नया ज़माना नया सुबह वो शाम पैदा कर. Thank you.
MashaAllah, such clear, powerful words. Now our third participant is Mubashira from grade 3. Please come on stage.
Respected principal, teachers and my dear fellow students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gathered here to celebrate Iqbal Day, a day dedicated to one of the greatest poets, philosophers and visionaries in the history of our nation, Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Through his poetry, Iqbal gave us the message of self-awareness, unity and faith. Iqbal poetry is not just beautiful, it's powerful. His verses teach us to believe in ourselves, to rise above fear and to dream big. He reminded us that every person has the potential to reach great heights, just like surfing eagle. He often what about he said, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना के हर तकदीर से पहले, खुद ही को कर बुलंद इतना के हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे, बता तेरी रजा क्या है.
You recited that feeling so much brilliant. I would like to call Zainab from grade 4 for his speech.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing good today. Iqbal gives us one powerful command. Stop begging. Don't beg for luck. Don't beg for opportunities. Don't beg for your destiny. His philosophy is simple. Become an eagle. Eagles don't hunt for crumbs. They soar high. They climb the sky. And they build their nests on mighty clouds, not in safe, comfortable bushes. Iqbal says, raise yourself so high that God Himself asks you, what's your wish? So let us stop waiting. Let us stop complaining. Let us build ourselves with such strength and courage that we don't just meet ourselves, our destiny. We commanded, be the eagle, the entire sky is yours. Thank you.
Excellent. You truly understand Iqbal's message. Now I would like to call Musabbiha and Inaya from grade 4 for his speech.
Assalamu alaikum, my respected teachers and dear friends. Today I am going to speak about a man
whose words could move the mountains, a man who lit the fire in sleeping huts, the great Allama Iqbal. When the people were lost in the darkness, Allama Iqbal's voice said, उठो मेरे दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, उठो मेरे दुनिया के गरीबों को जगा दो, खाके उम्मे के दो दीवार हिला दो. He didn't recite the poetry, he awakened the nation, and he also taught us that every child can fly high like an eagle. तू शाही है परवाज़ है काम तेरा, तू शाही है परवाज़ है काम तेरा, तेरे सामने आसमां और भी हैं, सितारों से आगे जहाँ और भी हैं, अभी इसका इंतहाम और भी है. He wanted us to dream bigger than the stars because the world is full of challenges and new adventures.
Yes, Iqbal awaking hearts, but he also opened nights. He taught us about Khudi, or inner strength and dignity. खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना के हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना के हर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता तेरी रज़ा क्या है. He wanted Muslims to stand tall, not by words, but through knowledge, courage and action. He dreams of youth who would never fear challenges. जवानों तुम्हारा खून है वो चिंगारी, जवानों तुम्हारा खून है वो चिंगारी, जो रोशनी करते दुनिया सारी. इकबाल also reminded us, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कोशिशों से, नहीं है ना उम्मीद इकबाल अपनी कोशिशों से, तकदीर के ताले को खोल देंगे हम भी. इकबाल is never hopeless, we can unlock the door of destiny too.
Yes, and you told us, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कर तकदीर से पहले, खुदी को कर बुलंद इतना कर तकदीर से पहले, खुदा बंदे से खुद पूछे बता दे रज़ा क्या है. He encouraged courage, dreams and faith, saying, चमक रही है ये दुनिया आज उन लोगों के लिए, चमक रही है ये दुनिया आज उन लोगों के लिए जो खुद पर भरोसा रखते हैं. इकबाल wanted joy to be fearless, strong and free, just like eagles soaring high. अल्लामा तहकीक में सिर्फ वो कामयाब है, अल्लामा तहकीक में सिर्फ वो कामयाब है जो अपने होठों से सितारे छू ले.
Life is not just dream, it's hard work and responsibility, he said. अमल से जिंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी, अमल से जिंदगी बनती है जन्नत भी जहन्नम भी, खाके अपनी फितरत में न नूरी है न नारी है. And he reminded us, जो खुद पर भरोसा रखता है वही दुनिया बदल सकता है. We can build Pakistan strong, just like Iqbal did, if we work hard, stay honest and never lose hope.
Allama Iqbal was not a boy of words, he was the architect of dreams, the teacher of courage, and the guide for generation. नहीं देना नशीमन कर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, नहीं देना नशीमन कर सुल्तानी के गुंबद पर, तू शाही है बसेरा कर पहाड़ों की चट्टानों पर.
Let us rise like eagles, live with faith and dream with purpose, because that is the true tribute to Allama Iqbal. Thank you. And now I would like to call Zuha from reception class for beautiful words.
Assalamualaikum everyone. I'm Zoha from reception. डूबे हैं जवाबों में मगर सवाल खो गया, इकबाल तेरी कौम का इकबाल खो गया, इकबाल तेरी कौम का इकबाल खो गया. थैंक यू.
What a wonderful speech to end with. Let's give our all speakers a huge round of applause. The energy from our young speakers is incredible, and now something that promises to be utterly heartwarming. All little stars from pre-primary have prepared a special tableau. They will bring the life of spirit on Iqbal Shaheen. Let's welcome and lots of love and applause.
absolutely wonderful. A massive thank you for our kindergarten stars and their teachers.
Thank you. Today has been a beautiful journey on Iqbal's vision. We heard his message in the speeches of our children and saw their performance. Let us all carry his message forward.
Let's make Iqbal's dream in reality.
Pakistan Pioneer